Hello gardeners! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best gardening tips and tricks to help you grow a bountiful garden. Today we're focusing on zucchini, a versatile and prolific vegetable that thrives in raised beds. Raised beds offer numerous benefits such as better drainage, which is essential for healthy plant growth, and easier pest control. In today's video, I'll explore why raised beds are a great choice for growing zucchini and how to set them up for a productive growing season. Raised beds are ideal for zucchini because they provide excellent soil drainage, which is crucial for preventing issues like root rot. By elevating the soil, raised beds allow excess water to escape more easily, keeping the roots healthy and preventing waterlogged conditions. This is particularly important for zucchini, which can be susceptible to root diseases if the soil remains too wet. Additionally, raised beds make it easier to control weeds, reducing competition for nutrients and water. They also help keep pests like slugs and snails away from your plants, as the elevated height creates a barrier that is harder for these pests to cross. When setting up a raised bed for zucchini, aim for a depth of at least 12 to 18 inches. This gives the roots plenty of room to spread and grow. A width of about 2 to 3 feet is also ideal, allowing the plant to sprawl without overcrowding and ensuring each plant gets enough sunlight and air circulation. Proper spacing is key to preventing diseases and promoting healthy growth. Fill the bed with rich, well-draining soil and add compost for extra nutrients. This will provide a fertile environment for your zucchini plants to thrive. Compost not only enriches the soil, but also improves its structure, making it easier for roots to penetrate and access water and nutrients. Space your zucchini plants about 2 to 3 feet apart within the bed to give them enough room to grow. This spacing helps ensure that each plant has adequate access to light, air, and nutrients. Mulching around the base of the plants helps retain moisture and keeps the soil temperature stable, supporting steady growth throughout the season. Mulch also helps suppress weeds, reducing the need for frequent weeding and allowing you to focus more on enjoying your garden. With the right raised bed setup, you'll enjoy a thriving zucchini crop all summer long. Raised beds not only make gardening more manageable, but also more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and may your zucchini plants flourish!